Okay, real talk. How many vitamins, pills, supplements, all that kind of stuff are you taking on a daily basis? Because if you're anything like me, I was taking, I think, over 20 at some point here. And I was like, this is ridiculous. I'm spending all my money on vitamins and supplements. I don't even know if it's working. I got to get something that works. I got to share this with you guys because I kept seeing these all over TikTok. And I kept seeing how people are raving about them. So I said, all right, I'm going to check them out. They're third party tested, right? It's made in the USA. So yeah, I've been trying them. 2 weeks I've been taking them. And holy hell, you talk about results. I notice a massive increase in my stamina, my energy, stress levels are down, libido, hello, that's up, literally. But no, seriously, look at the stuff that you get in here. It's so potent too. You got sea moss, black seed oil, ashwagandha, ginger, shilajit. There's all the stuff that you need, none of the crap that you don't. And there's so many good benefits to these. So here's the deal. If you are tired of taking 20, 30 pills a day, throw those out. You don't need them. Just start taking these. And they keep selling out too. So I highly recommend taking advantage right now because they will sell out. There's a flash sale going on if you click that link right up there. And I'm telling you, you're going to notice a difference right away.